fire extinguisher. Lapit na lapit. Rubber hunting, tamang paghawak ng fire extinguisher. Handle lever ang hawak, support the bottom part, close to the chest. Check nyo yung direksyon ng hangin, 6 to 8 feet yung layo natin, then perform T-pass. Twist the pin, pull the pin, aim kasi at the base of the fire. Pag nakatutok na, check yung direksyon ng hangin. Squeeze to the starting lever and swing side to side. Yan, okay na po.